Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're doing something a little different. Last couple of videos I've been working on all my cars out in the driveway. Well, today it's very early in the morning. We're inside today. And what you're looking at is the inside of my editing rig / gaming computer. I only have one. In this case it's an R5 2600 with a GTX 1080. And it's got 16 gigs of RAM, and I'll put the full specs in the description below. But today, what we're going to be doing is installing this. It's an M.2 SSD. It's in there. Yeah, I know it's upside down, but it's a SATA-based one that we're going to be installing. It happens to be a Plexor. It's a 512 gigabyte, because as I found out, editing videos eats up a lot of hard drive space. So it's time for an upgrade. So what you guys are looking at the moment is just the side panel of my computer. It's an S340 Elite or S340 non-Elite computer. And I'm just going to do a quick video on how to install an SSD. So first things first, we're going to take off the side panel. On mine, it's got a couple of thumb screws, and then we'll get rid of that. Okay. All right. Now, in my current configuration, this is my primary boot drive. It's a 240 gigabyte SSD. Let me get a little more light on that. There we go. It's 240 gigabyte SSD, and yes, I know it's dusty. It's on my need to fix list. And my secondary drive is right down, come on, is right down there. There we go. It's upside down, but it's WD. It's also a 512 gigabyte. That's an M.2 SSD. That's plugged in. I currently use that for video storage and for my games drive. But once I install the Plexor that I showed earlier, this is going to still be my games drive. What is now my main SSD in here is going to become my that's going to become my scratch drive, and then the new SSD is going to become my primary boot drive, and where all my programs are going to reside, because I'm running out of space on my 240. So yeah, so basically where we need to get to is, let me remove this. My graphics card is right down. Okay, putting one of these in is pretty easy actually. You take your SSD, you stick it in the slot, and you want to put it in at a slight angle. Now as you notice, it'll just kind of stay there, but it's not connected. And what you do is you push it down just ever so slightly, and mine came with a screw. All right, we'll try this for the third time. Now in my case, I've taken out my graphics card. That's why it looks a little different from the last shot. But normally you don't need to do this, but as I said before, if you have a magnetic tip, that makes a huge difference. Sorry for the different lighting, guys. I've changed over to a head-mounted headlamp. Also, when you put these in, don't over-tighten them. They're very small, and that's it. That's how you put an M.2 SSD into a modern computer. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'm going to show you how to reinstall Windows 10, since it's going to be my primary boot drive now. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.